This is how Germany overwhelmed Europe in 1939, swift, decisive, relentless. But posting 7 times a week on social media? It's like bringing a slingshot to a battlefield. It's too slow, too small, and not enough to win the battle for attention. You need a blitzkrieg strategy. 100 posts every week, across all platforms, delivering relentless, non-stop engagement. With AC Result, you'll dominate your market like never before. It's time for victory. Write me in the comments now to launch your blitzkrieg marketing plan.